In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a foreign currency bill in Xero without upgrading to the multi-currency feature. If you're running a business with international transactions, but your current subscription does not include multi-currency support, this guide can save you time and potentially some money. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, you'll want to log into your Xero account. Head over to the Xero login page and enter your email and password. Make sure your login details are correct to avoid any delays. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard. This is your control center where you can access various features of the Xero platform. From the dashboard, locate and click on the Business tab. Under this section, click on Bills to Pay. This is where you manage all your incoming and pending bills. Once you're in the Bills to Pay section, look for the option to create a new bill and click on New Bill. Now, you'll need to fill in the bill details. Start by entering the contact name of the bill issuer. This keeps your records organized. Don't forget to adjust the date to when the bill was issued or received, as accurate dating is crucial for bookkeeping. After that, move on to entering a brief description of the bill. This helps in identifying what the bill is for at a glance. Next, input the quantity. This usually refers to the number of items or services you're being billed for. Here comes the important part: calculating the correct unit price with the currency conversion. Before entering the unit price, you must know the current conversion rate between the currency you are billed in and your base currency. Websites like Xero.com can provide you with reliable conversion rates. Once you have the conversion rate, go back to the new bill form in Xero. Divide the foreign currency rate by the quantity you've input. For instance, if the conversion rate for GBP is 773 and your quantity is 20, you divide 773 by 20 to get the converted unit price. This ensures that your records reflect the actual bill amount in your home currency. After entering the converted rate, the currency will reflect the change, for example, from USD to GBP. Once everything looks correct, review the bill to ensure there are no errors. Finally, click on Approve to finish the billing process. And there you have it. A simple way to handle foreign currency bills in Xero without upgrading to a multi-currency feature. By following these steps, you can maintain accuracy in your accounting processes without additional software costs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide assists you in managing your business finances more effectively.